Welcome to the heart of Echo Chamber Insight, where I, your host Chamber Insight, extend a bespoke invitation to delve into the pulsating rhythm of today's paramount narratives. Embark on this odyssey by subscribing to unlock a treasure trove of updates. Our saga unfolds with the crescendo of global tensions, as luminaries convene for urgent discourse, while a beacon of hope emerges in the realm of scientific breakthroughs, promising respite in our fight against affliction. Stay tethered to our realm for the latest dispatches and sage analysis from our esteemed experts. This happens on the 13th of April, a day marked not only by the sun's ascent but also by significant geopolitical shifts. Amidst the whispers of diplomacy and the roar of global markets, today bears the weight of historic negotiations and economic reckonings. As the world awakens to the 13th of April, it braces for the unfolding of events that will shape the course of nations. Yet, amidst the anticipation, there's a sense of unity as people across borders come together to tackle shared challenges and embrace opportunities for progress. News number 1: The circulating video capturing a helicopter boarding a ship has sparked widespread speculation and intrigue across maritime circles. Initial analysis suggests a probable connection to the Portuguese-flagged MSC Aries, a vessel owned by Zodiac Maritime. This incident, which took place amidst the backdrop of maritime security concerns, has ignited discussions about the safety protocols and procedures governing such maneuvers at sea. Zodiac Maritime, a renowned shipping company known for its global operations, has not issued an official statement regarding the incident. However, industry insiders speculate that the helicopter boarding could be part of routine maritime operations, such as crew changes or cargo inspections. Nevertheless, the lack of transparency surrounding the event has fueled curiosity and raised questions about the nature of the operation. In light of heightened maritime security threats, including piracy and illicit trafficking, the sight of a helicopter approaching a commercial vessel evokes concerns about the safety and security of maritime trade routes. Governments and shipping companies continue to invest in advanced security measures and collaborate closely with international maritime organizations to safeguard vessels and their crews against potential threats. The emergence of the video on social media platforms underscores the role of citizen journalism in documenting and disseminating maritime events in real time. As the digital landscape evolves, such recordings serve as valuable sources of information for stakeholders within the maritime industry and beyond. However, the authenticity and context of such footage warrant careful scrutiny to prevent misinformation and ensure accurate reporting. As investigations into the helicopter boarding incident unfold, stakeholders remain vigilant in monitoring developments and addressing any security implications that may arise. The event serves as a reminder of the dynamic and often unpredictable nature of maritime operations, prompting ongoing efforts to enhance safety, security, and transparency within the global shipping industry. News number 2: The tranquil atmosphere of a Saturday afternoon was shattered when chaos erupted at a restaurant in Westfield Bondi Junction. Eyewitnesses recounted harrowing scenes of panic as a lone attacker entered the establishment, brandishing a weapon and indiscriminately stabbing several patrons. The sound of gunfire added to the terror, prompting hundreds of shoppers to flee the bustling shopping center in a desperate bid for safety. In the aftermath of the frenzied attack, New South Wales ambulance teams swiftly responded to the scene, their sirens piercing through the commotion. Their efforts were focused on providing urgent medical attention to the victims, with reports confirming that 8 individuals, including a child, were rushed to nearby hospitals for treatment. The severity of their injuries remains a cause for concern as authorities work tirelessly to ensure they receive the necessary care and support. The incident has sent shockwaves throughout the community, prompting an outpouring of sympathy and solidarity for the victims and their families. As news of the attack spreads, questions regarding the motive behind the assailants' actions loom large, underscoring the need for a thorough investigation to uncover the truth. Law enforcement agencies have swiftly mobilized to secure the area and apprehend the perpetrator, offering reassurance to a community left reeling from the sudden and senseless violence. As the sun sets on a day marked by tragedy, the resilience of the Bondi Junction community shines through in acts of kindness and support for those affected by the ordeal. Vigils are planned, messages of solidarity flood social media, and calls for unity echo through the streets. In the face of adversity, the spirit of compassion and solidarity serves as a beacon of hope, reminding all that even in the darkest of times, we stand stronger together. News number 3: The impending felony gun indictment against Hunter Biden has cast a spotlight on the intersection of legal proceedings and the political landscape in the United States. As the son of President Joe Biden, Hunter finds himself at the center of a highly scrutinized case that marks a significant milestone in American legal history. Set to commence in early June, this trial is unprecedented, marking the first time a sitting U.S. president's child faces such serious charges. At the heart of the matter are allegations that Hunter Biden falsified information on federal firearm forms and illegally possessed a firearm while using controlled substances. Despite pleading not guilty to these charges, Hunter's legal battle has encountered numerous hurdles, with federal judges in both Delaware and California rejecting multiple attempts to dismiss the gun and tax charges. The rejection of these motions underscores the gravity of the accusations against him and the impartiality of the judicial process. As the trial date approaches, all eyes are on the courtroom proceedings, which are expected to unfold against the backdrop of intense media scrutiny and political commentary. The outcome of this trial holds implications not only for Hunter Biden and his family but also for broader discussions surrounding gun laws, substance abuse, and the accountability of public figures. In a deeply polarized political climate, the case serves as a reminder of the complexities and consequences that arise when legal matters intersect with the realm of politics. News number 4: The passing of Lori and George Schappell, the world's oldest conjoined twins, marks the end of a remarkable and enduring journey that defied medical expectations. Born in 1961 in Pennsylvania with a rare condition that saw them sharing vital blood vessels and brain tissue, the Schappell twins surpassed initial prognoses of a short life, living to the age of 62. Despite the challenges they faced, Lori and George lived their lives with remarkable resilience and independence, each pursuing separate passions and careers. Lori made her mark as a country singer, while George excelled as a 10-pin bowler, showcasing their individual talents and personalities. Their remarkable story captured the imagination of the public, leading to appearances on various television shows and documentaries that shed light on their unique lives and the challenges they navigated. Beyond their medical condition, Lori and George were also pioneers in their own right, being the first same-sex conjoined twins to openly identify as different genders. Their courage in embracing their individual identities in the face of societal norms left a lasting impact on perceptions of gender and identity. As news of their passing reverberates around the world, tributes pour in for Lori and George Schappell, honoring their resilience, courage, and the indomitable spirit with which they lived their lives. Their legacy serves as a testament to the power of human determination and the boundless capacity of the human spirit to overcome adversity and thrive, even in the face of extraordinary circumstances. News number 5: Lisa Blatt's upcoming 50th argument before the Supreme Court marks a remarkable milestone in her legal career, solidifying her position as one of the most prolific and respected advocates to appear before the highest court in the land. Blatt's unique blend of humor, passion, and style sets her apart, making her presentations not only informative but also engaging and memorable. With an impressive win-loss record of 46 and 2 cases pending, Blatt's track record speaks volumes about her legal acumen and persuasive abilities. What distinguishes Blatt even further is the rapport she has built with the justices, who not only respect her legal expertise but also enjoy the lively exchanges she brings to the courtroom. Her quick wit and occasional sharp remarks elicit laughter and camaraderie among the justices, creating a dynamic atmosphere during oral arguments. Even Justice Samuel Alito, when playfully referred to as her enforcer, responded with a humorous acknowledgement of Blatt's formidable presence in the courtroom. Blatt's success, however, is not without its critics. The Supreme Court's Guide for Lawyers cautions against attempting to mimic her style, suggesting that her approach may not be suitable for every advocate. Nonetheless, Blatt's achievements serve as a testament to her exceptional talents and her ability to command attention and respect in one of the most challenging legal arenas. As she prepares for her landmark 50th argument, Blatt continues to leave an indelible mark on the legal profession, inspiring future generations of advocates to find their own unique voice in the pursuit of justice. And that concludes our exploration today on Echo Chamber Report. If you found these insights valuable and want more Chamber Insight, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all our future discussions. We value your perspectives, so feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. The conversation doesn't end here. Let's keep breaking down barriers and fostering open dialogue together on Chamber Insight. Thanks for joining us on Echo Chamber Report, and until next time, stay curious.